Hello, Doc. Just want to ask, anong thoughts mo about babies na nag-drink na ng full cream milk at the age of 1 year old? Hello, kamusta po kayo? I'm Dr. Jeline, aka your tita, Doktora. Okay, bago natin pag-usapan ang full cream milk in children 12 months and above or 1 year old and above, ano nga ba ang term na full cream milk? Ang full cream milk or kung tawagin din natin ay whole milk ay milk na nagmumula sa cow. It is processed or pasteurized after milking from a cow. Ang mga term na whole cow's milk and full cream milk ay ginagamit interchangeably, and it has a full fat content that came from a cow. Unlike when you say reduced fat, low fat milk, or skimmed milk, the fat is reduced or removed from the milk. So in this video, you will hear me say full cream milk or whole cow's milk. So those terms are the same. Now, let's talk about cow's milk in 1 year old. Once your baby has reached 12 months old or 1 year old, you can already introduce whole cow's milk or full cream milk. Kapag pumili tayo ng milk para sa ating 1 year old or toddler, mas maigi pong piliin natin ang whole cow's milk or full cream milk. Ang full cream milk ay good source ng protein and calcium na kinakailangan ng isang bata sa kanyang paglaki at pagdevelop ng kanyang brain, mga muscles and bones, and teeth. Ang cow's milk ay ini-introduce lamang at the age of 12 months and above. Dahil ang batang less than 1 year old ay high risk to develop an allergy or yung tinatawag nating cow's milk protein allergy. At maaaring hindi sapat ang nutrients na maibibigay ng full cream milk in less than 12 months old. Kaya't sa mga newborns and up to 1 year old, recommended pa rin ang exclusive breastfeeding up to age 6 months old, and you may also introduce milk formula and complementary feeding when they reach 6 months old. Gaano naman kaya kadami ang cow's milk na pwedeng i-consume ng 1 to 2 years old na bata? Ayon sa American Academy of Pediatrics or AAP, ang batang may edad na 1 to 2 years old ay maaari lang mag-consume ng cow's milk for up to 2 to 3 cups or 16 to 24 ounces per day. Ang majority ng kanyang nutrisyon ay dapat pa rin manggaling sa tamang pagkain. In summary, ito ang mga iilang tips na dapat nating tandaan sa pag-introduce ng cow's milk in a 1-year-old child. First, your child's main source of nutrition should be proper food meals and not just milk. Introduce whole milk or cow's milk, fortified with vitamin D and other nutrients your child needs. So mas maganda po magbasa tayo ng mga nutritional facts sa ating mga bibili na full cream milk. If your child is allergic to cow's milk or you choose a plant-based milk, the better choice is fortified soy milk. Oat milk, rice milk, and almond milk are not recommended since it has a lower calcium and fat content that may not be sufficient for your child's nutritional needs. Reduced fat or low-fat milk may be considered in consultation with your pediatrician, especially kapag ang bata ay may excessive weight gain or at risk for obesity. Again, you may give 16 to 24 ounces of cow's milk per day, not replacing the food meals as the main source of your child's nutrition. Always choose milk or milk alternatives that are unflavored and unsweetened. Flavored cow's milk may have some added sugars that may be not good for the health of your child. Remember, your child does not need added sugars. Also, keep in mind that if milk is the only source of your child's nutrition, it may affect their development and eating habits. And lastly, establish your baby or child's eating habit as early as possible so that we can avoid picky eating during their toddler years. Ayan, hopefully marami po kayong natutunan sa video na ito regarding full cream milk in a 1-year-old kid. Follow me for more pediatric-related videos. And please do share my videos and follow my Instagram, Facebook page, and YouTube account. Thank you!